Alrighty guys, so we're back here today and we are working back on this Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Here in the background is one of my really good friends, Matt. We've been friends since like second grade. Went to school in New Jersey, both moved down to Florida, found each other again, and it all began here. Now, he is here helping me straighten out the damage on the quarter panel. You guys saw it in the previous episode. I didn't even bother epoxy priming that because I just don't know how to fix something like that. My skills are not to that point right now. So he's the mastermind behind doing this, and we're just gonna watch him work. Alrighty, so while Matt is over there working on the quarter panel of the Mitsubishi, I'm gonna be working on stripping the hood. We're gonna strip the underside and then also the top side of it. He told me I should use the airplane stripper, but we're also gonna try the barrel, see how clean we can get it, and get this one step closer to being painted. So don't worry about all the stickers also. I took pictures of them. There's a company out there who can actually recreate the entire decals that I need. So let's get started. Also, this barrel, link in the description in case you guys are interested. Alrighty guys, so we are finally done with episode 3 part 2. I know it took forever for us to get to this stage, but we're here. The hood is finally primed. Now the best thing about having it in epoxy prime, you can see all the imperfections in the hood, such as this big dent here, there's a dent here, and there's a huge dent back here where we're gonna fill in with some Bondos. So we actually have to do a lot of body work on the hood, but hey, this is one step closer to getting finished. Finally, the last thing that we have left to do is actually sand down a piece in the quarter panel there that was primed over with some little surface rust that I gotta grind out, and then epoxy prime over that, and that's it. Entire body of that car is done. Next step that we're gonna do on that one is actually block the entire car. Once we're finished blocking the entire car, it'll be one step closer to paint, which I think after the blocking, it's ready for paint. So as for right now, I think we're gonna be finished with all the bodywork episodes until we're ready to do the blocking and the painting, because I just don't want to bore you guys with the same exact videos of me doing each piece body by body. You guys are gonna get bored of that. It's gonna be redundant. So instead, we're gonna be moving on to episode 4, which I want to say we are gonna choose the rear end, or better yet, you guys tell me what you guys want to see for episode 4. Do you guys want to see the rear end build, or do you guys want to see the entire engine build? Let me know exactly what is it that y'all want to see, because at the end of the day, everything's gonna get scrapped down, everything's gonna get cleaned, everything's gonna get painted or powder coated, and then from there we're gonna start pushing out bushings, put in brand new bushings. We're gonna rebuild the entire motor. We're gonna, you know, swap out all these old dusty rotors and put on new calipers. Well, new to me, but they're old. We gotta get the rebuild kit. First time I'm ever doing a rebuild kit on a caliper. Never done that before. That'll be pretty dope. So we gotta do it on the 2 rears that I purchased, and then we gotta do it on these front ones as well. Is there anything wrong with them, and are they leaking? Are they seized? No, I don't know. I haven't had a chance to ever get to drive the car. I bought it in a non-driving, you know, setting, so it never drove. So what we're gonna do is just fix all of that stuff one step at a time. But leave it in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Are we gonna do the engine stuff, or we're gonna do the rear end stuff? Either or, we're gonna get that done. Fuel tank has already been repurposed and put on. It's gonna, well, it hasn't been put on, but it's been repurposed. There's no more rust in there, so it's actually looking pretty good. I can't wait to get that one back in the car. And right now, before I sign off, we got that new 1, 2, 3, 4 machine. Joe's in the background. She's trying to set it up for me. That's my baby. It's coming soon, July 1st. July 1st, your boy gonna be a daddy. But I hope you guys enjoyed that episode of part 3, episode 3, part 2. I hope you all enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like in the like button there. Just hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel. Make sure you leave your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.